Welcome to Wonderful Wednesday at Westport. Thank you for joining us today. Believe it or not, it's November. Yesterday was November 1st, and if it's November 1st, that means Christmas is not far away. So we have lots of exciting things to tell you about what will be going on at the store in the next couple of months, several weeks. So first of all, we have our new class list for November. So just to briefly go over it with you, we have collage quilt today with Barbara. If you are already working on a collage quilt and you'd just like to jump in and get some help, you are welcome to come. She will be here from 10 to 4 today. So bring your collage quilt, or if you've never made a collage quilt, come on over. We still have room, so we'd love to have you 10 to 4. Tomorrow, sit and sew with yours truly, 10 to 4. Saturday, we have a new owner's sewing class from 12 to 4. We also have one on Monday from 10 to 2. We have Sewing Beyond the Basics from 2 to 6. This is a new sewer's class. After you have become familiar enough with your machine, then this is a project class. You make a cute little zippered bag that you can put makeup brushes or sewing implements or whatever you would like to put in them. Annie is on Tuesday with Charlie. On Wednesday, new owners sewing for Bernina owners only. So the other new owners sewing are for our other brands. On the 9th, it's specifically for Bernina's 4, 5, 7, and 8 series. On the 10th is our fabulous block of the month. We've just started that over, so it's would be fine to go ahead and jump in. With Charlie, we have kits available, so that's our wonderful, I'm sure all of you all have seen it, but our beautiful, colorful block of the month. It's lots of fun. Quilting in the Hoop on the 11th. This is the thing that everybody's going crazy about now, to learn that if you have a machine that does embroidery, you can quilt your own quilts. Not everybody has the space or the pocketbook for a long arm, so this allows you to quilt your quilts using your embroidery unit on your sewing machine. On the 12th, Embroidery Club, our monthly club from 10 to 2. Then on the 14th, new owners embroidery and new owners embroidery beyond the basics. And on the 16th, a new owners embroidery for Bernina owners only. 18th is heirloom block, and 19th is beginning quilting. And then we're pretty much going to take a break the week of Thanksgiving, and then come back on the 30th with UFOs with Barbara. Everybody asks, well, what does that mean? It's really a sit and sew, but UFOs are your unfinished objects. So you have opportunities for sit and sews to finish those Christmas projects on the 3rd and on the 30th. Then also, the week of Thanksgiving, we have Black Friday and Small Business Saturday, but we didn't want y'all to have to wait until then, so we've got some really wonderful news. First of all, we have holiday catalogs from Janome. You can come by and pick one up. We have holiday catalogs from Brother, and these have some great packages and bundles in them. And then you should have received in the mail our holiday catalog from Bernina. Just so you know, the Sewing and Vacuum Authority will have its own holiday catalog, and that should be out sometime next week after the elections, next Tuesday. Then our catalog, be on the lookout for our catalog by email, and you can also go to our website, sewvacauthority.com, and our catalog should be available on our website sometime later next week. And that will have all of our specials from now until the end of the year, so be on the lookout for that. I will tell you a couple of exciting things. Russell said, when I talked to Russell yesterday, he said, let everybody know that we are really overstocked on some very desirable machines and cabinets, and I wanted to show you one cabinet. This beautiful cabinet from Horn. It has the table, the leaf on the back that lifts up, so it gives you the extra space for doing your quilting. It has the hydraulic lift, so it has 3 different positions, and we'll order you the insert to fit your machine so you can sew at the perfect sewing level. It also comes with a little caddy, so you have a lot of storage space. Now this cabinet usually sells for $29.99, and it is on sale from now until Christmas for $22.99, and it is a really nice sturdy cabinet. Horn cabinets are very well made, very well thought of, so I encourage you to come and take a look at this. We also have the Bernina Luxe cabinets that are made by Horn available for your beautiful K-Facet Bernina or whatever sewing machine you have. So those are some exciting things. Also, we've got some new fabrics that just came in, so let's walk over here. Hey Barb, how you doing?
Fun. Good morning, everybody.
So this is a new collection from Moda right here, which is gorgeous. All these purples. I just think that's lovely. And then we also have this new group. I think it goes up from the green over to the orange, and that is a new collection from Benartex by one of our favorite designers, Amanda Murphy. So, and we have some other new things that have come in recently that we haven't shown you. So we encourage you to come in and take a look at our new fabric. And Barbara, are you about ready?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to turn it over to you, and welcome.
Well, good morning, everybody. I was thinking about the holiday season coming up. I love using these napkins that are folded, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how to make these. And when you come in the store, if you'll ask for the Christmas tree napkin pattern, then we'll have it available for you to pick up here in the store. And so what you do, now this one's done with little foxes here. You cut a semicircle 8.5 inches wide. So you take a half yard of fabric, we'll do 4 placemats. So you take it and you lay your fabric down. See, it comes out just about 8.5 inches. Okay, so what you want to do is take your ruler and fold your fabric in half after you've cut a half a yard, and it's going to be 8.5 inches. So you're going to take a Frixion pen and mark it all the way around. And you can even do it like this. If you got something holding your fabric down. But I usually just go around and just mark it so that, and I keep my finger so that it won't move, and I still get my 8.5 inches. All the way around.
Kim says it's so cool.
It is cool. And people come to your table, and the thing about these napkins is you can do them for the summer, for your picnics and things, or you can do them for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna come back around here and mark this side.
Pam says, hi everyone.
Hey, Pam. I think I've gotten off a little bit. You have to be careful that you don't lose your spot here, because it's easy to do, believe me. And then once you have it marked, then you take your rotary cutter and you just follow your markings around. Just want to keep it flat. Make sure you have a sharp blade in your rotary cutter though. It is. like I said, have a good sharp rotary cutter blade in your rotary cutter, unlike this one. But
We'll be doing first thing this morning.
That's right, we'll be changing that blade. Okay, so, and then you're going to cut across the bottom as well. And then you end up with, use a lighter and a darker color for the contrast, like on this one. And then you're going to take about the size of a 2.5 inch jelly roll to cut your fabric out, or just cut you one out that makes a little trunk for you. And so what you're going to do then is take your other fabric, your different fabric, and you're going to cut 4 of those out. And then you're going to join them together, and you're going to put right sides together, and you're going to stitch them all the way around with right sides together. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to insert your trunk, your finished trunk. So you'd have to take it and put right sides together on that to make your trunk for the tree. And on this trunk, on this one, it's a little bit bigger. So, and then you have to, the instructions tell you exactly how to do this and how to fold it. So whenever you insert your trunk, then you want to go around and top stitch your entire napkin so it will look finished. So then you take your napkin and you start folding it. And you come out with a finished napkin that you can put at your guest's feet. Here's the other one being folded.
How long does it take, start to finish?
Next hour.
Yeah.
So it's pretty easy and
Quick
quick.
gift, yeah.
And a half yard makes 4 napkins. So if you want, you can judge how many people you're having for dinner, and everybody will love them. I know my family does whenever I bring them out. So I encourage you to come by the store and shop our new fabrics that have come in, as well as some of the old staples. Check our cabinets, our sewing machines out. We have some great deals going on, as Linda told you earlier. And we look forward to having you in class. So come join me today if you'd like to. If you have a project on your collage quilt that you need help with, come on down. They're a lot of fun to do.
Yep.
And so
I wanted to also say, actually we do other things here at Sewing and Vacuum Authority besides sewing. So I wanted to tell you about one of our favorite products. We are all totally sold on this, and it's called Gone Citrus. In fact, we were out of it this week and had to restock. This will clean anything.
it's fabulous.
Absolutely
I love it.
amazing. I buy it by the gallon and refill my bottles. But everybody wants their homes to be clean and sparkling for the holidays, so I encourage you to try Gone Citrus. You can use it to clean your bathroom. I spray it on my white tennis shoes to clean them, and it gets up all kinds of stains from your carpet. So come buy a bottle of Gone Citrus. Wait a minute, you got another one?
I got a new puppy, so you definitely want some of that.
Definitely. And then we have the fabulous vacuums. We have Ricard, Miele, Sebo, and many others. So if you're in the market for a new vacuum, we'll be happy to show you those too. So we just have it all at the Sewing and Vacuum Authority. Y'all have a great week, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye, everybody.
All right, see ya.